Thank you. I forget. Oh,
Hello.
hello, Mary. Can you hear me?
Yeah, you have to pay attention because we went over this the last time, and I feel like we wasted a lot of time. So, do you want to show me the Monday again?
Okay, maybe sorry, I think I forget. So maybe
All
you.
right. So let me explain to it. Anyway, the when the new leads come in, the new leads go to the top.
Mhm,
Every lead that comes in, if we get 50 leads this month,
mhm.
they automatically should go to the bottom. Go all the way to the bottom. It should automatically go to the master database. They go through the process whenever they're doing their thing, but the master database is all the leads that ever come into the system. So let's say we're in April now. If in December we do 1,000 leads, there'll be 1,000 leads in the master database in December.
Mhm,
Does that make sense?
Okay.
Do you understand or no?
Yes, I understand. Like, do you want to uh, first new lead, then proper process proposal, then close, then dead lead, then master. After dead lead, then they should be a move in master database.
No,
Like,
it wouldn't move. No, no, because because if you do it like that, all the leads wouldn't end in the master database. But like if someone's in the proposal set, if a deal is one, it might not go to the master database. It's in the one database,
mhm,
right?
okay.
Is there a way to have the leads go through the process, but also every lead go to the master database?
Mhm.
You don't seem to understand.
Yes.
I'm asking you a question. Ugh.
Can you repeat again?
Instead, I keep doing the same.
Process.
Is there a way that every lead that goes into the comes in also builds a database for me?
Mhm.
You seem confused. You keep saying, uh-huh.
Yes, I little bit confused. I cannot understand proper. Like, I want to explain something maybe according to my thought. Like in first lead come here in new lead, then with proper process proposal, then proposal sent, then close deal, then dead lead. After dead lead, then master lead come here. So if the lead is
Well, okay, so answer this
April.
question. If the lead is in the one deals, go up, go
Hmm,
up. If the lead is in proposal sent,
like this is proposal sent.
yeah, okay, it's not in the master database, is it?
Yes,
Yes, what? It's not, or it is?
it is not a master database.
Okay, so now so it will never make, so if it's percent, and let's say they never do anything, then what happens? What happens if it becomes a dead lead? Does it go to the master database or no?
Yes.
If it's dead,
Like this is no, this is proposal sent. After proposal sent, if I suggest is closed deal, then move in closed deal.
yeah, I
Uh,
know that, but it's fine. Stop. And then is it in a master data? If it's a closed deal, is it in a master database or no?
n- no, like if like I am here, like if I can select here like newly to master database, then it will automatically move in master database. Like I have selected this. Okay, so no,
I
it automatically move in master database, not other
I
group.
I, I understand that, but is there a way that the lead can go to the master? Can the lead go to the master database, but also be in the other sections as well?
Yes, like deal can go master database. Like if lead.
No, you're not listening. You're not listening to me.
Mhm,
If a new lead comes in right now,
mhm,
right?
mhm,
It's called Mario. It's in the
mhm,
new lead section, right?
mhm.
Can it also be in the new lead section, but then also be in the master database at the same time? Can we do that?
I need if you want to like when new lead come in new lead, then they should be at the same time go on master database. So we can do that. We need to set up the automation.
You have to do that through what? Make?
No, no. I can do with the help of direct mondays.com.
Okay, so every lead that comes in could also go onto the master
Mhm.
database.
Like kind I do that like when here I create a new board like this master database. So when new lead come here, like new lead, this is like when new lead come here in new lead database. So this remain here and next
And it
automatically.
also goes into the master database.
Yes.
Right. So at the end of the month, if 50 leads come in, I'll
Mhm.
have I'll have 50 leads going through the process of new lead, proposal sent, closed deals, won deals on this side, but then I'll have 50 leads in the master database, correct?
Yes. Like
I'll
yes,
have, listen to me, but if 50 leads come in,
in new board.
there'll be 50 leads on this side in the lead command center
Mhm.
going through the process. Some of those 50 leads will be new leads, some will be proposal sent, some will be closed deals, and some will be won deals. And then in the master database, there'll be 50 leads total, all of them.
Yes, yes, yes.
Right. That's what I want. That's what I want. Okay.
Perfect. I
Right.
understand.
Okay, now you understand what I'm saying. And then next month, let's say in another month, there'd be leads coming into here, and then if another, let's say 75 leads come in next month, there'll be the 50 leads from this month, and then another 75 from next month in the master database, correct?
Yes.
Right. Okay. So the master database is going to have everything, and you're going to have it go to both, whatever you call boards. There'll be two boards it's going through the data, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. All right. So fine. So what are you talking about, Make now? Do you know Make very well?
Yes, I have experience in Mac.com. Like if you want to you receive a daily based report about these groups, then we need to use Mac.
Okay. How long have you been working with Make?
I have 1 year experience.
How long?
Like I'm using Zapier and Mac.com last 1 years.
What? Yeah. Okay. All right. But okay. So fine. So do you know how to do other triggers besides that? The one you're saying? Because I went to ChatGPT. There's a lot of different things you could do with Make.
Like first, in Make, need to in trigger schedule a time like daily base in action. I need to set up Monday.com.
So do you know how to do that?
Like we need to receive a daily base report in make.com. In trigger action, I need to schedule a time like daily at am you will receive the daily report. In make.com action process, I will connect monday.com and I will attach this lead command source, and they automatically daily base received, send you email with the help of make.com.
Right. All right,
Yes.
hold on. Hold on. All right. Can I share my screen?
I have closed my screen. No, you can able to share a screen.
Okay.
Yes,
So I typed, can you see my screen?
yes.
All right, so I typed in here different things that Make can do if I were to get it. So it said for my events company, you can also auto assign a tag to leads that come in, Google Sheets and stuff like to tag it for corporate events, bar mitzvahs, whatever. Do you know how to, do you understand what that means?
Auto sign lead, when a lead come in, type from Gmail, Google Sheet automatically pushing the Monday. Your CM corporate. This. Yes.
Okay, this one it says, well, I wouldn't care. I don't care about that number two. Oh, this is a good one. If a quote is sent out, but status hasn't moved in 72 hours, you can set a trigger to send an email or a text message to remind them to follow up. You know
Mhm.
how to do that?
Yes, I can do that with the help
So if
of
we get
Zapier
so
as
we
well.
get make these are things we can do.
Mhm.
VIP client loads on new inquiries. Maybe I don't know. Client experience automations. Once an event is booked, trigger a client. Oh, once an event is booked, it could trigger an onboarding email with all this information. We can set that up if you, right?
Yes,
So you know how to do all those three things, correct?
yes, yes. I
Okay, with the
can.
expo, once we deal with that. So if I get make, you know how to set up different triggers, correct?
Can
Because the
you?
thing is, I mean, the thing is, what you're asking for wouldn't be that many triggers. So,
What happened?